Hello everybody out there in social media land. It's your personal injury attorney Derek Bernstein here, leaving the courthouse, getting back in my car after a family law matter in downtown Tampa. And I wanted to go over to you today a question I get all the time, and that's, do I need to turn in all those papers that the court requires? And I'm here to tell you that you sure do. It's called mandatory disclosure for a reason. It is mandatory in all family court proceedings. So the court requires you to do so. Do not be the person who has to get hauled into court, pay their attorney time to drive, to prep, to go, to sit, for them to tell you to turn in the thing that they already told you have to do. So when you are filing for divorce or you were served papers, make sure you ask from your attorney that list of mandatory disclosures that you need to start getting, and then compile them quickly, get them back to your attorney so they can file them in the case, and you don't have to come to court and explain to the court why you couldn't get them pay stubs or bank statements or things about where your kids are living and things of that nature. So don't be a fool and pay extra attorney's fees. Get your mandatory disclosures in as soon as possible. So it's your personal injury attorney Derek Bernstein here, leaving the courthouse in downtown Tampa, giving you some good family law legal advice.